my channel. Y'all know who it is, the Glam Princess. Y'all, guess what? Today, me and the Glam Queen of DIY, we are going to do our face-off. Next week, we're doing a face-off on next Friday as well. So I hope y'all can be there for it. If y'all haven't been over there to her channel, check it out, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. I know if you go over there, y'all gonna like it, I'm telling you. She does vases, high-end decor, glam decor. Y'all know we are the Glam sisters. Well, that's, I'm the princess and she's the queen, so therefore, no, it can't be no princess without a queen, right? Yeah, okay. So anyway, I hope y'all join us. I hope y'all have fun. I hope y'all learn something, get something out of what we're doing. And I just want to say it is a blessing. I'm so grateful that you all allow me to come into your home and show you my ideas. It is so great that I'm doing something that I love to do and you all like what I'm doing. So I truly appreciate that. So don't forget to go over to the Glam Queen of DIY and check her channel out. Let's get into this video, y'all. Okay, Glam fam, so here is the fireplace that I am going to glam up. Now, let me just say, this is a wall mount. So I have never seen a wall mount fireplace glammed up, especially a DIY. So this is going to be the first time for me, and I don't know if it's the first time for you, but we're going to do this together. So I've seen the fireplaces, the ones that I've done that was in the wall. I glammed that one up, and I also glammed one up that was like a space fireplace that it's on the floor. But this right here is a new one for me, so I am going to go all out, y'all, so just stay tuned. Okay, Glam fam, so I'm using these beautiful tiles that I purchased from Mentor, I believe that's the name of it. Yeah, these tiles were a little bit expensive, but it was worth it because I'm using them for different things. They can be reused and everything, so it's not like you can't get your money's worth out of them. Until I find some more reasonably priced tiles, then this is what I'll be using. I am working on something for that, y'all, to remedy the situation on these the expensive tiles. I think due to COVID, they're not distributing. At least one company told me that, so they're not distributing properly because of COVID. So anyway, I'll leave a link in the description box, and you also can order them by sheet, which means that if you're doing a small project, it will be okay. So all I did was lay these out. I did go ahead and put glue on these. I'm not like putting a lot of glue on it because, of course, like I said, I'm going to end up reusing these one day. So I didn't want to, like make it permanent or make it hard to come off to where I couldn't have the original look of the fireplace. So and also the tile that I'm using, it really does have a whole lot of shimmer, and it's also the same tile I used on the TV. So it came with a lot for, to me, the price. Everybody's different, but, I'm cool with the price of it. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how our fireplace turned out. Y'all, it looks so amazingly great. I'm gonna have to do something with those wires. It's something that you can order from Amazon. I may do that, or y'all know I ain't putting a hole in my wall, but I may just order something from off of Amazon. This fireplace, y'all, is so cool. It changes colors. I am so in love with it. Even the fire changes colors, y'all. It's so cute. I just love all that bling bling. But the TV, let's talk about the TV, y'all. I am so like in love with the TV. This is like something, you know, it's just a border for the TV, but it's so cute. Y'all, look at me. See, look at me. I'm doing the DIY thing. I be watching myself sometimes, but anyway, the fireplace and the TV, I wanted it to be a combo, you know, like going together and everything. And I'm really, really loving it, y'all. I think it's so different. I really, like, seriously haven't seen this thing done together, or the wall mount up and, you know, someone glamming it out. So I would like to think that I was one of the first people that did this. I would like to think that. Y'all let me think that, shoot. But anyway, I love this, y'all. And if y'all like this, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.